Now we're going to create the linkages, which will join the arm to the slider. So we're going to create our sketch on this side of the slider. So the right-hand side, the slider, click on that. First thing we'll do is project in these two circles. So under Create and Project, or just hit P on the keyboard. That one and that one. Just the 2 3mm circles. Hit OK on that. And very, very simple way to create oval sort of shaped profile between the two of them is we're going to use the slot center to center. I'll click on that centerpiece and that centerpiece, and we'll create a 12mm slot between the two. It should be all fully defined as soon as you hit go on that one and hit finish sketch. Now this will also be laser cut, and we'll make one on either side of the slider. So hit extrude. I have to select these two faces here and hit 3mm. It will also be 3mm acrylic. If you just leave this as join, it will join the arm and the slider and the linkage all as one part. So make sure you hit new body and OK. So it creates it as a separate component. So now we have a body 4, we're renaming that to linkage. Now we actually need a pair of these. They will be identical. So we need them just for the model. So we'll hit mirror. Make sure it's on bodies. We'll select the body we want to mirror. The mirror plane will be this central one. You might have to zoom out a little bit to make that easier to select. And again, make sure that's new body. We don't want to join everything together all as one body. So hit OK. And now we have our linkages. We can hit A. My clear red is in here, so I'll use that to paint them up. So that's all the bodies that we'll need. We're also going to create one which braces between here. And this is just a little spacer just to hold these two apart from each other. So we're going to hit create sketch on the inside edge here. Sometimes it's handy to hit this slice option to hide all the things between you and the sketch plane. So circle, we'll hit P to project. Select that central circle. We'll use the circle tool. We'll create a 12mm circle, which goes in there. Finish sketch. And we'll extrude that one 3mm. Again, no join, new body. So we've got a separate piece which sits between there. So it's a bit of a sandwich. We've got our left rocker arm. We've got our linkage, we've got a spacer, other linkage, and then we've got our right rocker arm. So it's a bit of a sandwich that will bolt through here. That a paint. And spacer. So we can start looking at adding some nuts and bolts and some of the other other elements in the next few videos.